7-8.
All the way around. Total commitment to that backhand. Kuzu keeping himself unpredictable. Oh,
8.
what a... Well, that was a bit more of a classic block then. No time to do much else. Little bit long, little bit on. Not so big. Short stroke, little time. Just got a little bit on it. Going wide, both players.
8.
2 serves.
9.
And the opponent has to read that.
9-10.
What a great shot, doing really well. Good ball again,
The thing for me about
he changed it into a flick.
bang over the top. Game point Drinkle. Oh,
10.
that was a chance. That was a chance. It was a difficult one. He saw the opportunity because Chan decided to go down the line. In doing so, had to slow it down. Yeah. Paul ranked slightly higher in Europe. 37 against Chan's 58. And the big high balls are not necessarily the easiest ones.
11.
I think Paul there was thinking about letting the ball come and he just had to, I think it was long and he could have gone from the top.
11.
Great flick to the crossover. Inside the forehand right to the back. Absolute classic. Thousands of times in training he'll have done that combination. To be fair, squad.
Let. Level.
First match on. 1 game all between Paul Drinkle and Jon Ferguson.
1-love.
So there you've got the attempt to go down the line. Ball just goes so far into the crowd. Oh, Afuso played a great backhand down the line. Again, always the fastest that wins. It's a very clever mixture that you've got to play.
4-2.
Can't believe he missed that one. So forehand just onto the top of the net. Fast rally, backhand to backhand, and then switch. Oh! So Chan just hit in the top of the net, ball went on, and it just took Paul off his stride.
Here it comes
Here
now there. You
Yeah.
could see the net cord, the ball deviated. Time to adjust when it just catches the top of the net.
Paul keeps that one short. This is the backhand. The hardest part is to get it down on the other side of the net. Always pop that one up. He knows he's in trouble. He's going back.
By 4.
Did the right hook. Had
So-
half a chance to make that.
He was in trouble from the serve. He knew he had to go back. Chan brought him in. A world-class chop. To that, took it long.
Go!
These two. And good rallies, good table tennis.
5-6.
I don't think Paul expected that back so fast.
It's interesting, he punches that one, didn't he?
So England ranked 7 in
Let.
the European
5-6.
men's team. So we're not expected to beat France. But no Simon Gauzy tonight and no Liam Pitchford tonight.
7-5.
Again, this time the ball from Paul Drinkle catches the top of the net. We'll just see it in a second. Here it comes after this. And it just flicks it off the side of the table.
Depending on how you measure it, it's about 10 times a bigger sport than France and England.
7-6.
Massive. And they've got an incredible amount of players playing international and the top couple of hundred in the house for the present and also for the future.
Six.
7 in the world in doubles, so we could do with doubles. Oh, that's a big backhand. Huge.
9-8.
Took a step back and then beautiful arm out.
Favor of the French player.
Return a serve a little bit loose. Left-handed shot from Paul. Do you see that one?
8.
So Paul actually
10.
switched from one hand to the other just to retrieve whatever he could there. He knew he was miles out, left-handed. Not that uncommon a thing to do these days. Timo Boll very good at it, of course. Renowned. Yeah, and legal to do so, so get practicing it. Oh! Afuso ran round to play his backhand from the forehand side and it didn't come to the forehand. Left a massive hole. Drinkle serving, game point down. Can he level it? Short ball again, flick again. Again, it's top of the French team behind. Lilian Bardet on the right.
Level.
Patrick Sheila on the left as coach. You think we're better than 7th in Europe, Don? At a kind of quarter-final stage against Denmark, we really only lost by 1 point in the quarters in the last European Championship.
In that goal in that match against Denmark, we did have an overall match point. So we were 1 point away from the semi-finals.
In the
top four. And I do think if we have Liam Pitchford, Paul Drinkle and the other boys firing on all cylinders, Tom Jarvis is definitely on an upward trajectory. Sam Walker's a great player and David Macbeth is showing great form. So we've got
Paul's looking strong. I can't believe that Chan got to that forehand before the last shot. Paul was all over him, and to his credit, Chan stayed in at that one, but then went the wrong way. Brilliant.
Perfect response, having lost that third game and gone 2-1 down. He comes, what a start. Look at that. Took that forehand right off the bounce.
And look at Chan's response, there just puts his finger. Well played.
How did you do that?
Okay. Ooh, what? Focused, intense, as much as the players, it seems. And that's a high, heavy touch from Paul. Then went for the, and then you miss one. It's difficult to know what speed to play. You know, do I take a timeout? You decided to stay and save it for later. Get stuck in. If you just look at sometimes just little facial expressions, just give you an idea of the mental state of the player. Chan's body language has definitely changed now. A little bit of consternation, I think.
It's a great play from Paul Drinkle on the backhand. Good, positive play. He's taken those 2 points. One of these he can do.
One against the serve.
8. 2 would be a Brucey bonus.
Well done, Paul. Arm back to the backhand. Brilliant. Balance. And there's an ace. Steady opening backhand from Paul.
8-5.
And a bit of a game. He's holding on to the lead that he gained at the start of that game. 5-0 up. Afuso is just having to solve more problems in his head.
10.
Not quite got the confidence and the pizzazz that he had slightly in the other person's mind. Then that's going to stand you in good stead. It's going to limit them. Fantastic. Crowd absolutely loving this. Really getting their money's worth tonight. Oh, stood on the back.
Who stood there playing forehands. Thank you very much.
Big flick. Afuso did well to get in position there to force the ball out wide of Paul's forehand. Paul just stuck too far away from the table in the end from this point. Couldn't get his balance. That's good play from Afuso. Good.
Gets their country off to a winning start.
1-2.
Sticking most rallies to Paul's backhand corner. Again.
He's playing everything to Paul's backhand, really, which previously he's been going down the line a little bit. And Paul just stood there waiting out at him. Keep him guessing where the ball's going.
3-2.
Superhero, Felix Lebrun. Can't wait.
3-4.
This game, but the tactics will evolve all the time throughout the match.
3-4.
And Paul's service action has been pretty similar throughout. Short serves, long serve.
5-3 and end.
But now 5-3 up and serving for the French. More serve to come from the French. Really needs this one, Don.
3.
Kem.
Following behind that serve.
Paul goes short.
There's a Drinkle forehand.
Unbelievable comeback from Afuso in this game. Unbelievable.
4.
He looks relaxed again. His face looks open, ready and confident. And both players have now taken their time out. 3 points from victory for the Frenchman. And there's one of them. Thou shalt not pass, I'm sure is going through. Paul's attitude.
9.
Great backhand down the line coming up. There it is.
Really rolled over the top. His back was coming down. 9. One more serve.
He's
done it again.
9, 7.
Wow. And you see Chan situations, and he just comes out fighting and fighting at you.
8, 10.
Faint 2 match points. Paul Drinkles hanging on to survive. Gets the backhand in, and what a beautiful forehand loop.
11-8.
Stepped across from the crossover. Paul played it down the middle.